Good morning. Breakfast delivered in this morning because they don't have a buffet at Mandala Resort. And so what did I order? Chicken something?
Yeah, pan grilled chicken and tomato with egg and red rice.
What is this stuff?
Satay, that's peanut.
Okay. And what did you get?
I got nasi goreng.
And I'm gonna be eating pretty much most of that too.
Yeah, because the rice is so many, I can finish all of that.
Okay. Alright, I'm starving. Let's dig in. And just look at this view while eating breakfast. Looking over at the jungle and the beach in the beyond. This is... Oh, this used to be like a meditation area before the pandemic, she was saying. That's what she said. That's what she told me when we came the first time.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Boba place right here is open since it's a little later in the day. You think? You think this boba stand is open since it's later in the day now?
Hey, I want coffee.
Coffee? Little stand right here. Basketball. I think anybody could just go play if they want.
This area right here looks like a regular province.
Like Cavite, kinda?
Yeah. Minus the beach.
These are still being... Oh, people are already living in them. Oh. Oh, it's still not open yet. The Tams Zone, whatever. 3 store. There we are. Where you want to go?
Here, or you want to walk and find?
Oh, Nagisa?
Yeah.
Nagisa? You want something right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not sure if they have anything different in life.
Relaxation spa. Where's the spa at? Over, oh, right there.
Yeah, I'm not sure if they have anything different in life.
It's okay. Hi, how you doing? Mango float. That looks good.
Do you have anything like this?
Chilled juice, fresh juice, Japan. So we walked to the beach all the way from Mandala so you guys could see exactly how to get to the beach from Mandala Resort. Okay. Popcorn. That tastes pretty good. Mango floats. And this is what a caramel frappuccino looks like. That is good.
Try the mango float.
Try some.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good. It's cold, so it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, try some. You know how to make it? Oh. Lucky me.
Yeah.
Selamat ate. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, where do you want to go in at? Straight here, I guess. Yeah, why not? Okay, I'm gonna switch to the GoPro. And boom, we're in the GoPro. Let's take a dip in the water really quick. My things should be okay over there. Woo! Yeah. Or not that cold, but. Yeah, your hat too. It's heavy? Thank you, Ate. Is that it? Okay. Yeah, we didn't
go here?
Yeah, just here in front so they could see us and yeah, we didn't feel safe swimming with our stuff on a beach like that because my camera, my wallet, our whole life is right there in those bags. Again, Filipinos showing how nice they are. Just ask and they usually say yes, right? things, safe and sound, from the coffee shop. We just charged her like 50 pesos just for being nice, holding our stuff. Oh my god, look at the doggies. Oh my gosh, they're so baby. Yes, my wallet's in there. My wallet's in there. Hey doggy. Tam Snack Bar is now open. What time do you open? At 4? 3?
Yeah, I like that.
Oh yeah, we came earlier and you were closed.
Maybe I'm starting open now, like next month, because it depends the people going around.
More busy?
Yeah, more busy.
Oh.
Because this time not much people.
Oh, I get you. Makes sense.
I brought
Got it?
Yeah.
Got your Milo face?
Yeah, Milo and chocolate.
Oh yeah, you are a chocolate face.
I can't live without Milo. I'm not sure though if this is a real sneakers.
Let me see.
I feel like the packaging is not right. Because they're kind of like...
It looks real.
Really?
If it's not, it's a good knockoff. We'll taste it and see if it tastes real.
No, I will know in the packaging. It is not real.
It's not?
Yeah, it's not.
How? How do you know?
Because the packaging is... It's supposed to be like paper. Kind of.
No, it's like that in US.
Oh.
Yeah.
It smells good.